Morning, Chief.
Morning, Waka.
The boys are pretty screwed up.
Screwing up has never been in my line of business. What happened? Talk to me.
As I'm speaking right now, one of the boys is doomed.
Don't?
Yes.
Listen. All you have to know is one thing. Time is running. And your time is running. And before I come back from Afghanistan this evening, everything must be in check. We're talking about 1.4 billion Waka. And all my hard-earned money won't go in water because of the deal.
You should explain to me.
No, Waka, shut up! Explain what? You have already messed up this deal. All my hard-earned money will be gone because of you. And let me tell you something. Like I told you, screwing up is not on my radar. I need my money.
Give me a chance.
There's no chance, Wakame. Listen, time is running out. And your time is running out. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear, Wakame?
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's make this thing work. I'll catch up with you.